Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to copy and paste text from image on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to copy and paste text from any image, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your camera app and now you just have to select the text from any page. So let's say I'm going to select text from this page here. You just have to select the text. Once you have tap on text, you will see an option here. Just tap on that option and you will see at this tab interface that this text you have selected will be a pop-up screen. You just have to select the copy option and your text will be copied. You can also select text which you want to copy. Just tap on copy option and your text will be copied. Just go back from here and you have to open any screen where you want to paste it. So let's say I'm going to paste it here. Just select and here you have to tap on this and select paste. Your text will be pasted here. So in this way you can easily copy and paste text from an image. You can also do the same thing from an image. Open your Photos app, select the image which you want, and here just keep numbers on text here and you'll see this type interface. Just select the text, and once the text has been selected, just tap on this copy option and the text will be copied. Go back, open your WhatsApp or the page here, paste your text, and your text will be pasted. So in this way, you can easily copy and paste text from an image on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.